All right, let's quickly talk about the second type of execution condition. That is going to be concurrent execution. So just like it sounds, it's going to allow you to run multiple things in a concurrent fashion, right? So at the same time. Now, the things that can be put inside of the concurrent condition are actual API calls. You can't actually put, say, a transform data inside of the concurrent block here. You can only put in flows or API calls to external resources. So similarly, you can't put in like join decisions or delay inside of the concurrent condition either. Now, why would you do this? Maybe you need to hit multiple endpoints at once. An example of that might be you're trying to pull data in from multiple sources. You want to do that concurrently. Alternatively, maybe you're trying to post data to several locations, right? You're trying to send email to Slack, to Teams, not email. You're trying to send a message to Slack and to Teams and to some other webhook when something has happened. You can do that concurrently with this concurrent condition. In this case, I have two concurrent conditions in place. One is just going to get some entries from an endpoint. The other is going to get a random joke. And you'll see that this third one doesn't have anything in it. This is by design. Basically, if you wanted to add more concurrent API calls, you can do that. And anytime you add a new one, this will expand automatically up to 15 different API calls that can be done simultaneously. What would that look like? If I come over here and drag one of these additional, you'll notice that it automatically expands. And now we can call, 3 APIs at once. So let me go ahead and copy this URL into this connector. In this case, it's going to call random 10 jokes. This one's calling a random joke. And again, this one's just pulling in some entries from a publicly available endpoint. So now, if I wanted to, I can go ahead and save this, run this, and the flow is going to try to pull these 3 endpoints simultaneously. If I come in and take a look at this execution, you'll notice that you have all 3 of these here, right? 433, 433, and then 433. So all 3 of these were sent at the same time, and I received responses that I can use later on within my flow. So it's very powerful. If you just need to perform a bunch of actions simultaneously, use that concurrent condition. Hope this video was helpful. Again, this is kind of one of the execution features available under the conditions portion of the builder layout.